Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Auto Tutorials by Levonotion Studios. My name is Lydia and in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer particle hair system from one mesh to another in Blender 2.8. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to be using a boom, which means gifts, and this is a boom here. I'm going to use her hair. I'm going to transfer her hair to Miriam, this character here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the hair. The hair is on a scalp, so that is on a separate mesh. It's not really attached to the character. So I'm going to select it. Ctrl C. Before I copy, I'm going to come to the modifier and delete the armature, so as not to take the armature to the next scene. So I'll select the air, Ctrl C, copy the object and go to the Miriam scene. So I'm going to select the collection where I want to paste the air, and I'm going to Ctrl V to paste it. So this is the air here. So this is the air. So now I'm going to hide the old air star, and I'm going to select the character and come down here and delete the particle hair system. So delete and delete. So this is the air. I could as well, since the air is attached to the scalp, I could as well just take it off. Ready to make it. So I could as well just scale it to fit the character's edge. So I'm just trying to adjust the hair to fit the character's hair. So this is nice. I could as well just leave it like this, but the whole essence of this tutorial has not been achieved yet. So I want to transfer this hair to the character's mesh. So from this mesh to this. So to do this, I'm going to reuse the make link, which is Ctrl L, and transfer the hair modifiers, which is this these two particle hair system. So I'm going to select the character that I want to transfer to and the original mesh that has the hair system. So I'm going to hold down Shift and select the hair. So Ctrl L to select the make link, or you go to Objects, come down to make link, and you see modifiers. So I'm going to transfer the modifiers. So now you see this is not what we want. The hair is just all over the character's body. So the most important thing before you transfer particle hair system is to, let me select the hair, is to disconnect the hair first. So when you disconnect the hair, it's going to freeze the hair in that state, then you transfer. So now I'm going to select the character and remove the disfigured hair. So I'm going to come to the original mesh that has the hair and disconnect the first one, select the second one, disconnect. So now I can transfer the hair. So I'm going to select the one we want to copy to and the original mesh. So Ctrl L, then you transfer. So now if I select the character and connect it back and connect it back, you see I have the hair. So let me hide this. So now you see I have the hair, and this is looking good. So now this is not the color material for the hair, and that's because we don't have the material. If I select the hair, see we have the hair dark and hair white, and this character doesn't have it. It only has hair matte. So now I'm going to change this to hair dark, and I'm going to change this to hair white. So now it's perfectly copied from this hair. So now the hair is perfectly on the character. See, she's very beautiful, and the hair suits our personality. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Levonotion if you've not done so. Click on the notification bell to get notified every time we upload videos like this. And until next time, stay true to your creativity.